We're sorry your power's off. Our engineers are on their way because they've come across some damage to one of our electricity cables.
I'm Dave, an engineer from UK Power Networks. Even though we provide plans to help other people know where our electricity cables are, accidents still happen, and people sometimes damage our electricity cables, either by digging while carrying out building work, or sometimes we even see people break into our electricity substations. If our underground electricity cables are damaged, then to fix them, we'll find the fault, we'll dig up the pavement or road so we can access the electricity cable. Once we can see the faulty cable, we can make repairs so your lights come back on. We'll then be back to fill in the hole later. If our overhead electricity lines are damaged, then to fix them, once on site we need to get kitted up to work at height. We need to find and assess the fault. Then we need to fix it. Rest assured, whatever the time, day or night, will not stop until your power is safely back on.